time to eat these guys. So we got 2 crawdad traps. Then we got 1 squirrel trap up there. We're camping at Quartz Creek. This is my dad. And my grandpa. They're the leather ones, right?
I don't know if they're leather or not.
Okay. There's 1 trap. Oh, we also got a couple of fish in there too. We got like 41 crawdads, but there was only 36 keepers. This is our setup for camping. We got the mini bikes back here. Now, since there's fires, no one's gonna be out here because everyone thinks you can't camp.
Crawdad. Oh man, you're lucky that tail just came right out.
I'm surprised on that one.
Huh.
And the claws are pretty good too.
Yeah. Best way to eat the claws is to tear the little one off.
Just smashed it.
Try to stick together this time.
Yeah, we'll follow you.
Okay. Okay.
Time to go set up the traps. Okay.